Hey everyone, I'm super excited about a new series that I'm working on with my new friend Dennis Grizzard from, did I say that right? Grizzard.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's get it on camera. I got it wrong. With my new friend Dennis Grizzard from Credit Royalty, who specializes on getting your credit repaired or any questions that you may have. And I have to say, I get tons of questions when it comes to purchasing a home regarding credit, so I thought this was such a great idea. And so thank you, Dennis, for joining me.
Definitely glad to be here.
Wonderful. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a special format. We're going to put 60 seconds on the clock for each of our episodes or recordings. And then I'm going to present a myth or a question to Dennis, and he's going to give us the short answer to the question, right? And then you will be able to watch the rest of the conversation on our YouTube channels. So Dennis, my first question for you today is something that I hear all the time, is that people have to have perfect credit to get a home. Okay. So please, you have 60 seconds on the clock. Give us the short answer as to whether it's necessary to have perfect credit to purchase a home, or I guess perhaps for anything else.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, a lot of people don't know that there is a range of credit scores that allows you to be able to pretty much get approved for any kind of lending product that you want. So I know a lot of people in real estate, they let you know that you can get a house with as low as a 580 score. They like to see over a 620, and I've noticed that clients with about a 780 to an 8, they get the same rates as someone with an 850. So kind of like 780s, that sweet spot to get a perfect rate, but there's no such thing as, a certain score that'll qualify you for a certain rate. It's pretty much a range that just...
But the key, I think, takeaway is that you don't have to have perfect credit, and it can be anywhere between about 580, but ideally at least above 620.
Exactly.
And if you're shooting for the stars, 780.
Yeah.
Would get closer to perfect. All right, that's a minute. So I'm Isabel Guzman, realtor with eXp Realty.
All right, and I'm Dennis Grizzard here with Credit Royalty.
And we are going to continue this conversation, so keep watching, but you need to find us on YouTube.